What if I told you that ChatGPT can actually think in your specific voice, understand your business, and act like a real, genuine teammate? In this video, I'm going to show you how to train ChatGPT to do exactly that with no code, no overwhelm, just leverage. Let's build it. Here's the truth, gang. Most people miss this. ChatGPT out of the box, it's super powerful. I'll give you that. But truly, it doesn't know who you are and how you think and what your business needs. And that is a huge problem. But when you give it context, documents, your tone, your goals, it becomes something entirely different. It becomes your operator, your strategist, your brain. Let me walk you through how to do it step by step. So here's your first step, and it's exciting. Today, you're going to build your own GPT. Yep, you heard me right. You can actually create a custom version of ChatGPT that's trained to work just for you. And it only takes about 5 minutes, and we're going to do it right now. Step one, open ChatGPT, click Explore GPTs. This is where all of the custom GPTs live. Step two, click Create, and here's what I want you to input. You are my coach, assistant, strategist. Help me with writing. Use my tone of voice, describe it, ask questions when needed, right? You're telling ChatGPT that. That sentence gives ChatGPT a job description, not just what to do, but how to do it. Step three, here's where you upload your documents, and this honestly is where all the magic happens. You give it your about page, your last 30 emails or so, a client view, and anything that sounds like you. Personally, I've uploaded documents from 5 years ago, and these files become its memory bank. So now the GPT doesn't just respond, it responds just like you. See how powerful that is? Step four, give it a name, something memorable. Content Boss, HubSpot, the Dessi Director. Just kidding, that's mine. Have fun with it, right? Step five, now you hit publish, and you can choose. You can make it unlisted so it stays private to you, or you can make it public. But just like that, gang, you've just trained a custom GPT. Congratulations. But we're not done. There's more, so stay with me. Now that you've trained your GPT, you need a workspace to put it in, right? You got to keep things organized. Otherwise, you're going to find yourself uploading the same stuff over and over, and it's going to become really laborious and it's going to get out of hand. So here's what to do. Step one, click Projects in ChatGPT's sidebar. Think of this like your AI command center, right? This is where it stores memory, documents, all of the context. Step two, create a new project. Call it something like, I don't know, Marketing Engine, Client Hub, or Launch Lab, whatever fits your personal workflow, right? I'm a sales, marketing, communications guy, so that's where my head went. Step three, inside of your project, upload SOPs, marketing copy, documents, notes, anything that you use often, and then start a chat to give it a prompt. Now here's the magic, and stay with me. This space, this project remembers. So if you ask it to write a client proposal for you today, and then you come back next week to tweak it, the GPT remembers the conversation. You feel how powerful that is? That's the difference between a chatbot and a business tool that has real impact on your business. Sorry, I get excited about this stuff, guys. Let me dive into two real world examples and how I use it. So number one, I use it for content creation. I have a GPT trained on my own newsletter's voice. I drop in a short bulleted list and I say, hey, turn this into a 500-word email in my tone, include a story and a call to action. I always tweak it, I make it my own, but boom. You're done in under a minute. Number two, I use it for team collaboration. My assistant uses a GPT I built called Dessi Bot. And it has all of my speaking bios, my workshop slides, my product FAQs, and my brand voice, my highlight reels. And if she sees a draft, a pitch deck, or a response to a sponsor, she doesn't ping me. She asks the bot. Super powerful, gang, right? It's not replacing me. It's just cloning the best version of me. And to me, man, that is leverage. Now, here's the final move that most people don't even know is possible. You can share the GPT with your team. So once you hit publish, click share and send them the link. Now your assistant, your social media manager, your virtual assistant, they all have access to your personally trained GPT. So they all have same voice, same thinking, and zero friction. You have just multiplied yourself. Congratulations. All right, let's zoom out. Here's what you just learned. You created a custom GPT trained on your voice and goals. You gave it a workspace with memory and files. You made it available to your team without needing to explain every single piece of minutia 10 times to the new intern. This is how you stop trying ChatGPT and you start running with it and owning it. This isn't about using AI to save time. It's about building systems and processes that make your business run smoother, even when you're offline, so you can make more money. So if you're ready to see how I use ChatGPT every single day, hour by hour, task by task, click here to watch that video next. And this is where it all comes together, gang.